of plastic bottles that you use once and throw away? Are you tired of paying for products that contain over 2/3 water that's been shipped across the country? Are you looking for a new approach to home and body care that makes it easy to reduce plastic waste and save money on safe and effective plant-based products? Good news! We're Cleanest, a revolutionary system for mixing your favorite products with an easy-to-use appliance, concentrated ingredients, and reusable bottles. Just add water from your own tap, and at the press of a button, you mix up products that are better for you and better for the planet. Why? Because you make them yourself, with naturally derived ingredients in these beautiful reusable bottles that will eliminate hundreds of single-use bottles and help shrink your carbon footprint. And the coolest part is that you save money because we're only shipping necessary ingredients in minimal packaging. Our system features patented micro-batch technology that lets you easily and safely mix a very wide range of products at home for the first time. Here's how it works. Ingredients pouches are delivered directly to your door. You load them into the appliance along with an empty bottle. Select the mix type, and Cleanest does the rest. In 2 to 3 minutes, you will have a perfectly mixed product that is ready to use and guaranteed to work. We launch with a complete line of 10 everyday products, even thick ones you probably never thought could be easily mixed at home. All products will be available in either free and clear or naturally scented with botanical extracts and oils. We never use dyes, synthetic fragrances, or harmful ingredients. If you're feeling creative, you can even personalize the free and clear concentrates to mix your own scent creations. Cleanest was co-founded by 3 brothers who spent most of their careers on the inside of the packaging and ingredients industries.
As suppliers of plastic packaging, we felt like we were part of the problem, and we wanted to be part of the solution.
They were also in the know about the high water content in most products and thought we all deserve a better deal. And this is only the beginning.
We have the team, we have the experience, and we have the passion.
Help us fund Cleanest, and together, let's mix it up for a cleaner home, body, and planet.
If you could create your signature fragrance, what would it be like? It would motivate you to get ahead, adapt to your rhythm, and complement your unique style. It would be Sync. Sync is an intelligent perfume diffuser that puts fragrance creation into your hands. Get creative in the Sync Studio app. Adjust the intensity of 5 custom perfume capsules for one-of-a-kind fragrance, or put your phone down and let Sync do the work. Learning from your interactions, Sync can autonomously cast a long-lasting scent to make every moment uniquely yours. To define your personal fragrance profile, we walk you through 24 scents made by the leading perfumers. When you provide your feedback through the app, we pick 5 perfume capsules that best match your preferences. No need to think about refills. The capsules are delivered to you on a monthly basis. Sync perfumes are safe to inhale. The diffuser creates no spillage or residue. Sync is completely wireless and pairs with Alexa, so you can easily manage your home scent. Forget about smell fatigue. Sync is not just a conventional aroma diffuser, nor is it just a static perfume. It is not even just a connected device. Sync is all about you. Sync, an intelligent perfume diffuser for personalized, dynamic scents. Intelligent scents your way.
With Microfarm, we are making food fresher, healthier, and cheaper. Say hello to the microgreen revolution.
Microgreens are one of the healthiest foods we can eat. They are young seedlings of edible vegetables that are harvested within 7 to 10 days. They contain 40 times the amount of vital nutrients when compared to mature greens. Plus, they contain antioxidants, which help to protect against skin, eye, and heart diseases. They have a surprisingly rich taste for being that small.
Heel vers. En het is smaakvol.
Ja, dat is wel lekker, ja.
We like to call them super veggies. Top chefs around the world enhance their dishes with these pure and delicious flavors. The best thing is that you can easily grow microgreens yourself, all year long. This is what makes them the most local and freshest food available for your kitchen. You can harvest them right before you eat them. Microfarm is an all-in-one solution for anyone to start growing microgreens. Growing with Microfarm is easy. First, you distribute the seeds over a layer of wet paper towel placed into the Microfarm tray. Make sure to keep the paper towel damp throughout the week and let Microfarm supply the right amount of light. After 7 to 10 days, your microgreens are ready to harvest and enjoy.
We wanted to create a professional and durable indoor farming system. With our full spectrum light recipe that is already used by our professional indoor farming customers, you can develop taste and color just like you would in real sunlight. The tray provides your microgreens with a constant source of water, and because everybody has paper towel, we chose to use it as a distributor for the water.
Microfarm is truly modular and takes care of your greens with 3 different mounting systems. There is a Microfarm setup where you attach 2 legs to the grow light and slide in the watering tray. You can also choose to attach the grow light underneath your kitchen closet or shelving unit. Or mount the standing disc onto the light module and you can easily grow aromatic herbs. The tray provides your herbs with a week's supply of water. Microfarm comes with 1 year of seed supply. The package you'll receive will contain a large variety of organic and non-GMO microgreen seeds. They each have their own unique taste, colors and characteristics. You decide which microgreens you grow and when. The module is designed to last a lifetime. It's made out of anodized aluminum. We did not apply any glue. If the LEDs are worn out after 8 to 10 years, you can easily replace them by sliding in a new LED bar into the profile. In the summer of 2018, we produced 1,000 blooms. We are shipping to indoor farms, plant nurseries, kitchen stores, and many households across Europe, all the way up to Australia. Now we need your support to make this microgreen revolution global by shipping microfarms worldwide at affordable prices. Let's make healthy food accessible to everyone. Back us on Kickstarter.